Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the Ninja Woodfire Barbecue Grill. And I know what you're going to say. Oh, he's got another new piece of equipment. Yes, it is a new piece of equipment. And I purchased this myself out of my own money. Now, I already have a Ninja Foodi Max in the house, which is absolutely fantastic to use. But I want to use this for this. This is for when we go away, travelling in our motorhome. I can take this with us, we can plug it into on the campsite and we can use it like a normal grill. We can barbecue on it and also we can get that smoky richness flavour. So, no more, let's get into it and have a look. But if you think I'm going to unbox this while you're watching, no, we'll come back when it's on the bench. Okay, so we've got the Ninja Woodfire out of its packaging onto the table. First of all, we've got the grill itself. Two handles. I think this is a little tool to fix the handles. Got a little cup for our wood chips. 2 packets of pellets. One is an all-purpose blend, and the other is a robust blend. Safety instructions and a quick start guide. Right, let's open up and see what we've got inside. Grill basket. Grill plate. Packaging. So there's our eating element. Let's put our grill plate in. We'll shut it down. Also, you get a drip tray that just literally slides into the back here. Got our plug. It's got an RCD trip on it, which is good when using outdoors. Got this spring-loaded door for our wood pellets. And obviously, just use our cup. 1 cup is enough. Tip it in, and away we go. So, what we're going to do, we're going to get the handles on, then we're going to come back. We've got the grill all set up now. We've got it plugged into our power. We've got our cooking grating. I'm just going to give it a quick test. Just going to take some of these Ninja Robust Flavour Pellets. We'll open the hatch. The next thing to do is to turn this on. So we're going to go wood smoke. We're going to add the wood smoke flavour technology. We're set at 4 hours and a temperature, we'll say 130 degrees. We'll drop that down to 1 hour for the test. And all we have to do is press start. While the unit's started up, we'll take a look at the book. It's got a quick start guide in it. It's got lots of recipes in. Also in the back, we've got some charts. You've got your grill chart, smoke chart, and an air fry chart, all with food categories, times and temperatures. Now, I've wanted one of these for a long time. They were first released out in America and they've just literally been released this week in the UK. Now, Cooking with CJ over in America, he's done lots of videos on this, so I will put a card above, link to his channel, and you can see what you can cook on one of these. So this is just not a smoker, it's a grill, it's an air fry, it can roast, it can bake, it can dehydrate, and also you can reheat your food in it. And obviously you can see, we've got plenty of smoke being produced in this thing. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. All you've got to do is hit that subscribe button below. We're just going to let this grill now do its initial burning, and the next thing to do is do a cook on it. First thing I ever cook on a new grill is a chicken. So we'll be doing a spatchcock chicken in this grill on the next video.